it's really, 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 you can do this all. You can do it just 1 coat, 2 coats, 3 coats, and it's really depend on however you want. And it's really pigments all. So I don't need to go in it again unless you want more. That is a set. Hey Starlet, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. And welcome to Glitz Subscription Box tutorials. And then we are gonna need it in a fusioning crystal clear. You do not need to get additional brush, or you don't even need to get a different anything. Just only your crystal clears and a piece of papers right here. I'm gonna do just pick up just a little bit crystal clear. You do not want a lot of crystal clear. You don't want to like really make it all like saturate your brush. Just pick up a little and tap it, and then when you want to create the vein, you're gonna do it, just dab it from the outside toward to the center, so then you can create your veins easier. Make sure brush off all of the pigment remaining on your brush before you pick it up more crystal clear, to avoiding its contaminate. Repeat it. And do it again. You know, at any point you can stop it whenever you be happy with. I want to leave it right there. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Welcome to Glitz Accessories and such. And you can stop at any time, and then you can get your vein to be thinner or thicker. This is really easy for beginner nail techs to create just a lot of background nail art. So now if you want to stop it right here, you can, and then you can add yours like veins on, or you can add some veins on, or you can add some more transfer foils on or stickers on. You absolutely can. And then I'll let it set for just a second, and then we're gonna add some crystal placements on this. I'm so excited. So we are going, so here's some cool tip and tricks. A lot of you were asking, because the condensed glue gel is really thick density. I have to say, thick is not thin at all. And really,
that's what we call condensed.
yep. So it's super thick. See my brush. I think I got it. This looks really cool right here. Let me move it like that. Really thick. So when you get it, it's gonna be really thick. And if you know exactly where you are going to apply yours, you are going to apply this. Where is the areas you are going to place your crystal? However, if you are not sure, you can definitely doing it completely the nails. It's not going to be like as smooth like you're applying a top coat. It's gonna be like a little bit lumpy, which is normal. And then don't forget to get your no web top coat on, to floating right on the top. I just get a new right here. Sinus, that's me. Hey, Jasmine. I know, is this really interesting? You think so? Because we haven't have a good weather in Florida. So I'm gonna floating the top coat already, and then we're gonna do some cool nails. I'm excited because it's getting, this is my face right there. So I'm getting, you can see that I'm getting a two beautiful shape from the kits, from a glow in the dark crystal kits. And I get the cheeky heart in the yellow, and my shields in like kind of aqua color. So frame right next to me. I think, can you get me some frame? I think I put it in my tray of other, I'm sorry, the kits. On the kits number 1. Right here. Thank you. See that I stack it up, yeah. So I'm gonna do an add the really beautiful all SS4 around. And the best way to doing it to getting really close and tight to yours, to your big centerpiece crystal right here. We'll go ahead and add some beads. This is really simple design, so you're gonna get either you can get one centerpiece, which is the heart. You can design with this, and you can do 2 centerpiece, which is the shield. You can see. Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. So I'm gonna just trim this one really quick. Maybe I need to cut a few more. I'm gonna add more colors. This is my favorite color. So I'm using a combination of a glow in the dark and a neon. And add it on. It's really cool thing that you can place all of your smaller crystal along with your centerpiece. And wipe up under both sides to remove all the excess food gel in the top coat. And add the beads along. And I love how the special about the kits is had the beads so many different sizes. I'm getting like a bigger size now for you to see. It's all the mix. So I'm trying to open the door. Wrong door. All right, I'm loving it. It looks so cool. So the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wet top coat that you can't have all the time in the world to adjusting it the way you want it, the way you want to design your design, crystal placement. And then if you're happy with this, you are going to place it under the LED light. Give for 60 seconds. I kind of like it off on the sides a little bit. Really cool. I want to keep going and go up. Really cool though. All right, so happy with this. We're going to key it for 60 seconds.